In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you fix can't call on WhatsApp web. First thing you should do is check your browser permission. For that, click on this icon. Now ensure you have toggle on for these options, camera and microphone. In case it is disabled, enable it. Next thing you want to do is you should close any other application that might already be using your microphone or camera. Apps like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or other similar video conferencing software can prevent WhatsApp web from accessing your audio and video hardware. Also check your computer's privacy settings. Click on Site Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Here navigate to the option of microphone and camera. Click on the drop down for each one and set it to allow. Next, ensure you have stable internet connection. Since WhatsApp web relies on your linked phone, both devices need to stay connected to the internet for voice and video calls to work properly. Next up, clear cache for the app. So click on three dots, go to settings, click on the option privacy and security, click on site settings, go to view permission. Here search for WhatsApp web. Once it appears, click on the trash icon and confirm the deletion. Now navigate to this option, extensions. If you are connected to any VPN or proxies, temporarily disable it or remove it. Likewise, you can give a first restart to your WhatsApp web page. If you have tried all these steps and you are still unable to make calls, consider using the official WhatsApp desktop application instead. And that's it. By these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.